That's fun and obnoxious and so tacky in the best way. I know that I just got the Tesla, but I had a really good month last month and wanted to treat myself. And this has been a lifelong dream of mine to have a Lamborghini because I'm like really passionate about cars. And so today I'm going to do some custom work on my brand new Lamborghini. Introducing my new Lamborghini. Let's be honest, as much as I would love to test my customization skills on a real $250,000 car, we're just not on that kind of Mr. Beast or ZHC level. And on an even more honest level, I wanted to put the dogs in the car. I wanted to put the dogs in the car and give them the Lamborghini experience of their lifetime, and it's going to be adorable. So I have a few different plans for customization. I think I want to go like classic with like some flames and like some L for laurDIY on here somewhere. I've got lots of gems. My car is just plain white. I have always said that I don't think I'm responsible enough to have any kind of like fun wrap or customization detail on it. And so I will get to live out all of those pink and glitter customization dreams today on my brand new Lamborghini. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be great. Moose and Diggy are excited. Okay, here we go. West Coast Customs Junior. So what I'm thinking is red outline, pink inside flames, and then maybe some like little gemmy gem bejeweled situation. I can't decide if I want to bejewel the actual flames or if I want to just bejewel the entire trim of the car, because that's fun and obnoxious and so tacky in the best way, and I'm living for it. So I've got these acrylic paint markers, Posca. I think they're Japanese actually. And these apparently are the move for painting on any kind of plastic. I am a little scared. You know what though? $250 for a Lamborghini that goes kind of fast, remote controlled, and has Bluetooth and the doors go up. I just expect it to be more expensive, I think. To like make it Lamborghini brand as well. I don't know, I just feel like they could have charged thousands of dollars and people still would have paid for it. So when I thought of this video idea and it was only $250, I was like, this is great. The dogs are spoiled and I hope I don't fuck this up. Okay, stencil is on and contact. Here we go. Whoa, these are cool. Wow, why would anyone paint when you could use a marker like this? Oh my god, okay, fun. I also kind of just think from like a safety standpoint that having a custom car that everyone knows what it looks like I think about like the JoJo Siwa mobile, right? And everyone knows what her car looks like. It's got her little face on it. That feels like kind of a safety concern. Not that I have any plans on putting hot pink flames on my vehicle, but something to think about. Honestly, this marker is going strong. I was like a little stressed that I bit off more than this marker can chew. I've got one extra, but I was like, oh shit, maybe this is not gonna be enough. But I'm feeling good about this. This looks so amazingly tacky and I love it. I'm committing to a red outline on the flame. I think black is giving, not that like, I mean, I am a Blink. I am a Blackpink stan, but I think red is gonna be the move for this. And then I'm gonna go in and add some black outlines onto the hearts and the L, and then we'll see where we are before we start bejeweling. My body's exhausted. I feel like I'm seizing up. This is 30. Just kidding, I'm not 30 yet, and I need to make sure that we all know that and we're all on the same page. I'm not 30 until August. My body is unwell though. My body is unwell. Gasified Lambo. Here she is. I'm honestly like not the type of girly that has like a blingy anything on my car. Even like a license plate like frame, I would never bling. Like that's just not me. But for whatever reason, there is something in me that needs to entirely bejewel this car. So I've got these bigger strips of little gemmy rhinestones, I think for this top trim. Super big car girly. And then I've got these little gem strips to go on the headlights, which turn on. I mean, with the gems reflecting the light. And then maybe some gems on the spoiler as well too, if we try to go all out. You know what? I shouldn't have put an L on the doors. I should have put an M on one door and a D on the other door, and that was a missed opportunity on my part, and I just want to take the time to properly apologize. She's done. I think it looks great. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this afterwards. I guess we'll just have to wait and see if Moose and Diggy pass their driver's test. I swapped these out for smaller ones. As soon as I started putting the smaller ones on, everything just looked better. It's like a tasteful, yassified bejewel accent. Let's go take this thing for a high-speed test run.